4, 5, 6. I might have got something out of 3 on my way up. Alright, so something out of 1, nothing out of 2, nothing out of 3, maybe something out of 4, maybe a little more out of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again, there we go, 1. So you see what I mean? Just how many times I had to just keep going back through and just lifting them up and just lifting them up and just lifting them up. But that is finally this kurtzy monoblock D-shackle padlock on video after having it for about 9 or 10 months.